Today is Monday and history period is there, no? So in our previous class we have started the chapter number 11, that is Renaissance. Remember? Okay. So in that chapter I told you about what is the meaning of Renaissance, how it was started and what was the impact, and especially I have explained the notes on the contribution of Shakespeare, okay, and told you in the previous class also that learn about the other impacts, because in this chapter we have to especially focused about the contribution of Shakespeare. Then we have to see the work and contribution of Leonardo da Vinci, and we will see the contribution of Nicholas Copernicus. I told you were not there, I think. You were there. I told you that in this chapter you have to remember about the important personalities and their work. Okay, whatever the queries you people are having, you can ask. Read the chapter or not? So I told you that today I will dictate the notes. Last time I have dictated the notes on the contribution of Shakespeare, and told you that today I will explain or dictate the contribution of two major personalities, that is the Leonardo da Vinci and the contribution of Nicholas Copernicus. Rest of the things I told you, okay, rest of the things I told you in the next class that you have to do, and I have explained. Okay, mark the important things in your book. And now I am going to give some of the important information on these two personalities. It is there in your book, but it is very limited in nature. So if in exam long question would be there or short, accordingly you can give the answers. Okay, because in this chapter different personalities are there and their works are also there. But we have to give this special emphasis on these three personalities. Okay. So first I will explain about what is the contribution of Leonardo da Vinci. In this I will explain about his little bit life journey and his contribution. Okay, so write the heading of Leonardo da Vinci, okay, and his contribution. Written? Okay, now I am going to start. Leonardo da Vinci was a great painter, sculptor, musician and a scientist. Full stop. Leonardo da Vinci received no formal education. From where? Leonardo da Vinci received no formal education. No formal education beyond basic reading, writing, etc. But his father but his father appreciated his artistic talent. But his father appreciated his artistic talent, and he also worked under a noted painter Henri del Verrocchio. I'm just writing the spelling, you can write from here.
Any other?
Double C, not E. Henri del Verrocchio. Of Florence. He was the great painter of Florence. It is a place in Italy. Full stop. For a decade, Da Vinci refined his paintings and sculpting techniques. For a decade, Da Vinci refined his paintings and sculpting techniques and trained in mechanical arts as well. Full stop. Leonardo is widely considered one of the greatest painters of all time. Full stop. Mona Lisa is the most famous portrait. Mona Lisa is the most famous portrait ever made. Comma. The Last Supper. Supper's spelling is S-U-P-P-E-R. The Last Supper is the most reproduced religious painting of all time. Full stop. The third important work of his life was The painting of the painting of the painting of Virgin of the Rocks. Virgin of the Rocks. Virgin of the Rocks. This painting, after comma, this painting was related. This painting was related to the life of Jesus Christ. Related to the life of Jesus Christ, comma, these are all masterpieces. These are all masterpieces of art of Leonardo da Vinci. These are all masterpieces of art of Leonardo da Vinci, comma, these masterpieces reveal his mastery in color, mastery, mastery, mastery in color, shade, light and background. Mastery in color, shade, light and background. They are matchless. They are matchless in revealing inner beauty and grace. Inner beauty and grace. Written? Okay, this is all about the work and about the life of Leonardo da Vinci. I am just explaining one more time, just match it, then after that we will discuss the Copernicus contribution. Okay? So, the Leonardo da Vinci was a great painter, sculptor, musician and a scientist. Leonardo da Vinci received no formal education beyond basic reading, writing, etc. But his father appreciated his artistic talent, and he also worked under a noted painter, Andrea del Verrocchio of Florence. For a decade, Da Vinci refined his paintings and sculpting techniques and trained in mechanical arts. Leonardo is widely considered one of the greatest painters of all time. Mona Lisa is the most famous portrait ever made. The Last Supper is the most reproduced religious painting of all time. And the third important work of his life was painting of Virgin of Rocks. This painting was related to the life of Jesus Christ. All these are the masterpieces of Leonardo da Vinci, which is related to your art. I have changed this sentence, but you have done correct. Okay. So they reveal his mastery in color, shade, light and background. They are matchless in revealing inner beauty and grace. Till here. Now write the contribution of Nicholas Copernicus in astronomy.